Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see top 5 ways to make FitGirl game install faster in 2025. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to know this example what you can expect the game installation time. The game size 50 GB, then you install on a hard disk, then it will be take 3 hours to finish it. If you installed on SSD, then it will take 25 to 40 minutes to install the game. To check whether you have the SSD, then you just need to right click and select Task Manager and go to Performance. And in this list, you can able to see disk. In my case, I have only one disk. The disk name is C drive, and as you can see, the type is SSD. You just need to check whether you have the SSD, and after that, just minimize this and copy the game installer folder. Just like this, copy it and paste it in the drive where it shows SSD in the task manager, guys. In my case, the SSD shows in C drive, so I am pasting in C drive folder. And after pasting the game folder in the SSD drive, it can be increased by speed, guys. As you can see, it takes 2.5 to 3 hours, but on SSD it takes 25 to 40 minutes of install time. And now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it, and select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings and just turn off the real-time protection. And now just minimize this page and double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK option and select this music icon to mute the music. And now open up the task manager and go to processes and right click on the setup we are running right now and select go to details and right click on the details it's shown and select a set priority and select high and select change priority and the priority is set to high. Now right click again and select set affinity and check mark all these options, guys. Just check all processors and select OK. And now just minimize this page and make sure nothing is running in the background, guys. If you have some unwanted things running in the background like Discord, Steam, Epic Games, you just need to close it by right click and select exit option. After closing all the unnecessary things in the background, you can come back to this installer. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this option, guys. 2 GB of RAM usage, check mark this box and then select next option and select next again. You just need to install the FitGirl Repack using direct storage folder path, guys, like D drive, like this path. Don't use in program files path to avoid permission related issues, and doing this way it works faster. So I saved in C drive games folder. I doesn't saved in program files, so make sure about that. And now select this browse option and the drive you're trying to install the game that have at least double the game size free, guys. For a 50 GB game, have at least 100 GB free in that drive. After that, you can select the drive, guys, and then select OK option and select next. And in here, you just need to uncheck optional languages or bonus content. This will reduce decompression size and install time. And then select install option. After the install gets started, check my video description for this video link. Just select the link and follow the steps to prevent game errors like missing files or not launching problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.